Have you ever wondered what would happen if the sun suddenly vanished, even for just 1 second? It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but the consequences would be far more dramatic than you might think. In this video, we'll explore the terrifying scenario of the sun disappearing for a single second and how it would affect Earth, our solar system, and even us humans. Stick around till the end because the final effect will shock you. First, let's clear up a common misconception. If the sun disappeared, we wouldn't notice it immediately. Why? Because light takes time to travel. The sun is about 93 million miles, or 150 million kilometers, away from Earth, and sunlight takes roughly 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. So if the sun vanished right now, we'd continue to see it in the sky for another 8 minutes and 20 seconds before everything went dark. But after that, total blackout. The sun would simply vanish. No fading, no warning. Stars would become visible instantly, even during the day. The moon would disappear too, since it reflects sunlight. The sun doesn't just give us light and heat. It's also the gravitational anchor of our solar system. If it disappeared, even for a second, chaos would unfold. The sun's gravity keeps Earth in a stable orbit. Without it, Earth would move in a straight line into space at 67,000 miles per hour. After just 1 second without the sun's gravity, Earth would drift 18.6 miles off its usual path. That might not sound like much, but over time this tiny shift could destabilize our planet's climate and seasons. The entire solar system would feel the sun's absence. Jupiter, Saturn, and other planets would also start drifting into deep space. The Earth retains heat, so we wouldn't freeze immediately. However, things would get chilly fast. After the initial 8 minutes and 20 seconds, sunlight would stop reaching us. Within a week, Earth's average temperature would drop below 0 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 18 degrees Celsius. In a few months, it could plunge to minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 73 degrees Celsius, or lower. The sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles called the solar wind, which creates beautiful auroras, northern and southern lights. If the sun vanished, the solar wind would stop. Auroras would disappear instantly. Earth's magnetic field would react strangely, possibly causing minor disruptions in satellites and power grids. Here's the twist. If the sun came back after just 1 second, the effects might not be catastrophic, but they'd still be wild. Gravity snaps back. Earth and all planets would be pulled back into orbit, but with slight deviations. Light returns after 8 minutes and 20 seconds, but the sudden reignition of the sun could cause solar flares or storms. Space-time itself would wobble. Einstein's theory of relativity suggests that gravity propagates at the speed of light, so the sun's disappearance and reappearance would send gravitational ripples through the solar system. For just 1 second? Probably. The immediate effects wouldn't be deadly, but the long-term gravitational disturbances could cause unpredictable changes in Earth's orbit over time. If the sun stayed gone longer, that's a doomsday scenario. No sunlight means no photosynthesis, collapsing the food chain. Temperatures would drop to deadly levels, and Earth would become a frozen, lifeless rock drifting in space. Could humanity survive if the sun disappeared for a second? What would you do if the sky suddenly went black? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this mind-blowing scenario, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic mysteries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.